The yoga pose of the week is the plank pose. So let's come on down and get to it. So right here, come onto your knees and place your hands, your wrist underneath your shoulders, and lift up your body into a straight, strong plank. Hold it, breathe. And give me a side plank. Hold it, breathe. Excellent. Let's go to the other side. Other side. Hold it, breathe. Good. And back to our plank. Abs are engaged or the abs are tight. Hold those muscles in, breathe. Slowly come on down. Bring it on down. And come on up to the knees.